Hello everyone, let's just start our reading training with me today. As I told you, you have no method to save these 3 stones. You have to have an amazing sacrifice. Did you solve these questions? Let's check it out from now. If you just try to press from outside and white can just capture, and after that and it doesn't work, and even you make the order sente and it's not possible. So now you need to make these 3 stones some amazing idea. At the first, you must tarry here. The white has to answer. After you exchange, even though you just keep trying to doing same as just now, when you are doing here, white is gonna capture, and when you recapture, the white can just connect. After that, you have to connect here, then the white can just capture. Even we can't make the call. So. After you exchange this, you need to use the super amazing Tetsuji. That's this one. Kusumi is the good move. White has to Atari. This time I'm not gonna play here, because if white capture, then there is a cutting point. So how you can cover the cutting point is here. Yeah, jump. Because white can't really get in here, I can just capture. So white, the best answer should be just capturing 3 stones, and then I can recapture. And after this, even the white made all the sente, and black can just connect. Yeah, this is correct answer. If you solve a different way, for example, when white plays here, if you played 5 here, then it doesn't work, because even white can just hane, and then when you do that, white can capture here. Even though I just Atari here, at least this is gonna be the ko. Yeah, so ko is not the best answer. I'm not sure whether white can just save here, this one, capture here. Anyway, if I connect here, it's quite complicated. Yeah, somehow it might work for white, but now I'm not gonna connect here. Black can just Atari from outside. Capture here. Oh, but this is Seki. It might work. If white is thinking about to play the best move, then white has to just block here. Oh, but my mistake, black can just connect here first. White ordering has to be perfect. White can capture first, then here. It should be, seems the best move, I think. Yeah, here. Yeah, that's right. But it's quite complicated anyway. Ko is good enough for white. And just in case if you want to find the best way, then I'm just telling you. So now this is the best answer. And somebody might read it this way. Then if white just Atari, the result is gonna be same as just now, as I told you. Oh, sorry, it was my mistake just now. When white plays here, black cannot connect. White can just Atari here. It was my misreading. Yeah, always also I'm sharing the misreading. Yeah, we have the misreading. Always we are making the same kind of mistake. Yeah. So yeah, it doesn't work. Because here, why I'm explaining to you is that after you play here, somebody plays here, and somebody just play the knight move, and when black plays knight move, to be honest, even the white is just attached here, at least this is gonna be ko. Anyway, ko doesn't work. Yeah, ko is not the best answer. So yeah, it was a bit hard question. Yeah. Okay, today's the first question is this, capturing race. I'm just gonna prepare some not too complicated and not too easy around that level. Now these 3 stones are in danger. If you can save this group, then you can capture the white. So it can be close to be Tetsuji question as well, actually. If you just think about to have a capturing race, then white can capture the black. And many of them have a first feeling from this question. And they get to think about those hane. And actually in this situation, many of them make the wrong way. Yeah, you have to read those way perfectly. Yeah, sorry. I'm making A and B. Okay, let's follow from A. If you just do that, white is gonna play here, push and cut but point is white can capture. So you have to read until now, because if I just give this question to my student, many of them have a first feeling is A. Yeah, because they know that somewhere they need to play. And B, they don't get to really read. Then that reason is the when white plays here, somehow black's 3 stones are captured. But if white just plays here, then you can keep Atari here. When white connect, then black can keep Atari. Yeah, so actually it works. So now black's best answer is just blocking. Then now you can push and cut. Yeah, capture and Atari. No other way, yeah, when you play here. So eventually white has to think about to connect, then you can save. So it's working perfectly. You can just capture all of the white group. Yeah, it wasn't really complicated, but this is one of the basic passage question. You shouldn't touch anything and just play B first. Yeah. Okay. Second question of the capturing race. Now black 3 stones are in danger, so what's your first feeling? Let's follow. At the first, if you just think about to play Atari, the white can just block from outside, and after then you snap back, black can't do anything. Yeah. So however, you should make these 3 stones more liberty, and you may have a first feeling here. Stretch. Actually, if your level is a little bit strong enough, I don't think you are going to read here detailedly. Yeah. So it got to be our first feeling. But the point is, even white has to find out the best answer after this. If white just answered, then of course it might work. Yeah. So white can even think about to play here. But even now we can't play here, so black has to stretch one more time, and when he press, and then black can play here, so it will work. White can't get in here. So however, black can win for this capturing race. But when you put back the stones, white has a great move as well. White can play here. This is gonna be the Tetsuji, vital point for each other. Black can't really capture this one stone because white can make Atari and Atari. So eventually, this is the snapback as well. It's nothing different. After you read here, then you can find the correct answer. So black has to make more liberty with 1 space jump. This is the best answer for black. Even though white just tried to make less liberty, you have to use the special part of the corner. Because when you play here, white can't get in because this is a corner. Yeah. Now 1 space jump is the best answer. Even this question, if we do not have enough training, okay, I can just compare. If somebody doesn't have any training of the life and death, then they will think about to play here. This is the A case. And somebody has a little bit training of the life and death, they will think about here. Yeah, then, and even it's not easy to find, so they might think this is a solution and write down in the book. And it's really common because to my students, when they are solving the life and death, I don't let them check the correct answer. Usually just I make them to write down the number, just I'm giving the tick or X. That's it. I don't tell them correct answer. If they get the X, then I make them to study again. This is only the method, what I'm giving them, even how I was studying. Even the world champion, they were studying like that. They never study with the application, make sure. No world champion study the life and death work with the application and some program. Yeah, so we have to read everything by ourselves. So now, why black can't, black is playing here? Because white can't expect this one. This is the point. And then there is one more method, and somebody might think about to play Hane. This is also a good move. If white just answer, then snapback may work. And even the white just around, I'm not gonna connect here, black can just capture. But same vital point. White can just jump here. After that, black can't really connect, and it's nothing. So black has to just push here. After this, white also has to play the best answer. If white is just Atari first, then it's gonna be cool. So white best method is just throwing 1 time, black capture. Throwing 2 times, capture, and then Atari. Black connect, then white can Atari. Yeah. So now Yeah. However, white has to jump. So this is also possibly black can think about it. So there are 3 filling, D, E, F. AF is the vital point. But always I'm telling you, this is not like you can memorize like test for the dictionary from the dictionary. Just if the stone's position is changed a little bit, then correct answer can be different. Sometimes the E might work, sometimes D might work. So just read, no memorize anything. Yeah, it's always I'm telling you for the Joseki information, Hengma information, and Tetsuji information, you can take the information. But life and death, just read. And there is no more other method. Yeah. Okay. And today's life and death questions. There is already one eye, so you have to break this eye. You can guess that you can just you can't press from outside. White can get one more eye. So however, you have to make 4th eye for this one. So I guess maybe you have 2 fillings here and here, F or G. Okay, let's go to the F first. If white just capture, then you can Atari 1 time and throw in here. So it's gonna be 4th eye. So if you read this way, you have to keep read out white best answer is here. After this, if you are thinking to make the 4th eye here, you can't cover those way. If you throw in here, the white can connect. If you put it here, the white can connect. Yeah. And okay, that's why F doesn't work. Then you have to throw in here first and make him to capture, and then you can play here. After the white can't make one more eye. Yeah, it doesn't work. And even the white is just block, black can cut. Because when white wants to make bigger shape, I don't think you are gonna play here. You can play here. So after white capture, however, white can't make the rear eye and capture here, then black can get it. So also this question, it wasn't really complicated, but yeah, even though there are 2 ways to read, then how to say? During the solving, when you are solving the life and death question, there are many progress. Sometimes you can't find any feeling, and sometimes you get to think about even this is working and that way is working. Are there 2 correct? Then you may think about that way. And sometimes you can't find the opponent answer, why it doesn't work, and you will feel quite annoying to solve. Why do I have to do that? Somehow it's not making me improvement. Then all the strong player, they have such kind of progress, but it's necessary to grow up. Yeah, I'm sure that if your reading level is stronger than now, then usually even though you are listening some explanation from your teacher or someone else, then your understanding will be much faster because you can catch up everything much faster than now. Yeah, so please keep enjoying to study the life and death and the capturing race questions. Okay, this is your homework, and I made a little bit difficult today. Yeah. How to say? For today's question is like, sorry, I think maybe I made some mistake. I have to make, yeah, just like this. Let me check. Down, 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 down. Yeah, sorry. Today I made some mistake for the question. So today's question is, I can't say the first feeling is gonna be difficult. Then you can see the first questions very easily. And the difficult part is the finding the third feeling. Third move is super difficult. Then if you can see that, then it will be really great. Yeah. So please enjoy to study. I can't say this is like a very easy level because the first feeling is difficult, but finding third move is first move is easy, but finding third move is quite difficult. So if you can solve the third move, then I can say your level can be down level. Yeah, please enjoy to study about it. Thank you very much, everybody. See you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.